Hi guys, this is LT from Victoria, your property specialist at SMBC, and today we are here in SM Sta.Rosa, and I am going to tour you in the vicinity area of Park Residences as well as its construction update. So let's go!
Park Residences construction update as of July 2021.
So now, pupunta po tayo sa right side ng mall, assuming that you are facing the mall. So tingnan natin kung ano mga meron. Now we are here in the right side of the mall. As we can see at the back, that's the Icor building, just beside the SM Sta.Rosa.
Located right behind the SM Sta.Rosa, this community is surrounded with opportunities for you to live your best life. Everything the family needs is right here, with schools, parks, and shops around every corner.
And on the other side, we have the extension of the mall.
Let's take a peek.
It's currently under construction. So we have the bridgeway from Icor to the mall. So, nandito na tayo sa bandang likod ng SM Sta.Rosa. As we can see, ayan yung extension ng mall. And here, ito yung Icor building. So, syempre, malapit na tayo sa Park Residences because this is just located just behind the mall. So, ito yung extension. Ito yung parking ng mall, and then doon banda yung Park Residences.
You can definitely make the employees of the Icor building as your target market, especially when it comes to rentals. This is the Mamplazan exit, so as we can see, Park Residences has a direct access to SLEX. Before going to Park Residences, let me show you first the Sta.Rosa Integrated Terminal located on the left side of the mall.
So, ang makikita po natin sa likod ko is the Sta.Rosa Integrated Terminal. So, meron po dyan mga sakayan papuntang Visayas, like Davao, Iloilo, Mindanao, and other places na malalayo po dito sa Sta.Rosa, Laguna. Operating na rin siya. Usually daw, mga 6 AM siya nag-ooperate.
See? It's very accessible. We also have tricycle and jeepney terminal. And by the way guys, across this terminal is the highway.
So kitang-kita naman natin guys, super lapit lang ng Sta.Rosa Integrated Terminal to the Park Residences. And then ayan lang din yung mall.
Park Residences, Sta.Rosa Integrated Terminal, and the SM Mall. Obviously, it's a few steps across your wants and needs.
So now, we are here in the Park Residences. Ayan. This is the construction update. So, as we can see, the building B is almost finished. And the construction for the building A has started. Let's go to the other side. This side, we can see the building B and the building F and the building D. Yeah. That's the construction update of Park Residences. If you want to see the upgraded unit and the deliverable unit of it, you may also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's LK from Victoria of SMBC, and search for the Park Residences deliverable and upgraded unit. You may also reach me at 0915-475-3185 or email me at lkfromVictoria@gmail.com if you have some questions and inquiries. You will be highly accommodated. Thank you so much guys for watching.